Hey folks, it's Nick.
And I'm Carrie.
And today we're going to talk about the new 3/4 inch EMT Cross Connector from Bootstrap Farmer.
This can be used in many DIY applications, but today we're going to show you how to use it to upgrade your low tunnel for all-season growing.
All right, so for this project, we're going to be using 3/4 inch EMT, 4-foot hoop bender, snap clamps to put on frost blanket, 6mm plastic, shade cloth, insect netting. We're also going to use the 3/4 inch cross connectors that we talked about a little bit ago, and the 3/4 inch EMT couplers from Bootstrap Farmer. All right, so in this example, we have the same hoops that we used for our frost blanket video, but now we have attached a ridge pole with the 3/4 inch cross connectors. We've also installed basically baseboards along the bottom. That includes the length and the width. So now, no matter if we cover with plastic, shade cloth, frost blanket, or insect netting, we have a place to secure it down at the bottom. So the great thing about using these cross connectors to connect everything up, everything gets a little bit more rigid. So let's say that this was our garden underneath here, and you need to plant something or fix a water issue or do some harvesting. A couple of people can just pick it up, move it out of the way.
Another great thing about having the ridge pole down the middle, in the summer, you can put some mist irrigation to help cool your plants down. And in the winter, you can put some heat lamps to help warm the plants up.
So the example that we're working with here is 4 foot wide, 10 foot long, made with 7 pieces of 3/4 inch EMT, 3 for the hoops, 3 for the baseboards and the ridge pole, and then 1 cut down to make in-wall baseboard. Pretty standard, but what happens if you're a grower at scale? You can use these 3/4 inch EMT couplers to extend the bed. We'll show you how. All right, so again, 10 foot worth of bed covering behind us. If we wanted to extend this out in 10-foot sections, it's almost infinitely possible. With the 3/4 inch EMT couplers, simply place one in. I personally would run a couple of number 8 screws in there just to hold it in place. Same thing down below at our baseboards, couplers in the hole, 10-foot long sticks. Obviously, for the sake of this video, these are not 10 foot long. And then every 4 foot or so, I would add another hoop, which is another 10 foot. Just take a look at your local prices and you can price this out and see how much it is. Add that as long as you need it. So that's the 3/4 inch cross connector. Again, this is perfect for low tunnel hoops, but it's easy to make benches or carts or anything else in which you need to put anything at a 90-degree angle and you want to use EMT. They're also great for keeping vampires away. And with the snap clamps, again, you can put any type of covering on there that you like. In the next video, you're going to see Julian talk about these flanges in which we can put a 1 3/8 pipe onto a flat surface, or these braces in which you can make your own truss parts and braces, and the other things in my pocket. He's also going to talk about these in-rail clamps in which you can make horizontal brace or a cross brace, especially at the end wall to put on shutters or exhaust fans. So Bootstrap Farmer has always really celebrated the DIY ethos of most farmers. All these new parts are to kind of bring some of those projects all together, dial in some of your systems, all while saving money on shipping large pieces of metal. Hope you like this video. If you have any comments or want to tell us what you're going to do with some of these parts below, please leave a comment, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Say bye, Carrie.
Bye.
No, say bye, Carrie.
Bye, Carrie.
There you go.